Oh my god.
Careful.
I'm gonna die. You guys.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be very different than any of my videos. I'm actually gonna bring you guys along through the process of this new prescription that I just got today, and I'm very excited to try it because, as you guys know, I normally get nerve block shots to my head every 3 to 6 weeks. But this time, I actually get to do the shot myself, and it's not in my head, thank God. I forgot how I heard about it. I could have sworn somebody mentioned it before, but my doctor had told me about it recently. And I was like, you know what? I want to try it out. I don't have migraines. This actually is a product for migraines, and my headaches are not migraines, but I do have very similar symptoms. So I was like, you know what? Let me try it out. Maybe it might not take the pain away, but it might ease the pain. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I hope it does work, because for $640 each dose, it better do some type of magic in there. But yeah, so I'm actually gonna give the shot on my stomach. You can do it either on your arm, your leg, and your stomach, but I'm gonna choose my stomach because that's where I have the most fat, and I hope it doesn't hurt. I mean, it can't hurt as bad as the ones in my head, because those hurt. Like, those are so painful. So yeah, I'm really excited. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it somehow eases the pain, because it's been very bad. So yeah, let's see how this works. I've never tried it before. This is my first time trying it out. And I'm gonna start with, I told my doctor I wanted to start with the small dosage. There's like a 70 milligram, which is the one that I have, and then there's 140, I believe, or like 150, 140, I believe is the other one. But yeah, I was like, I want to try small, because you never know, what if I get a different reaction, or a bad reaction, or what if it doesn't work out. So I was like, you know what, let's just go small first. And yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed that it works. If it works in any way, shape, or form for me, even if it's just like a little bit, I will let you guys know, because I do know a lot of people that have migraines, and it sucks. I don't have migraines, but like I said, being in pain every day with a headache, it's the worst. So if you do have migraines, definitely look into it. If it does help me out, I'll let you guys know. The product, or the thing, is called Aimovig, I think. Yeah, Aimovig. So yeah, hopefully this works. So let's get into it, and I'll show you guys how we're supposed to do it, because it is my first time doing it on my own. So I'm gonna have my husband help me out, because I am a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is a product right here. Like I mentioned, it is a 70 milligram. There is a bigger dosage, but I'm very freaked out about these things, so we're gonna do the small one. And this is what it looks like. These are the instructions. My doctor already went over the instructions with me earlier today, but this is actually pretty cool. So this is what it looks like, and as you guys can see, there's like some fluid in there. And then you don't remove the white cap, I think, until you are ready to go, from my understanding. And yeah, this is actually pretty cool. And this is the instructions. Let me move this to the side so I can show you guys. I'm actually super excited, because I hate going to the doctor and getting shots. So I was like, you know what, if I can do it at home, and if it can just ease the pain a bit, I am good to go, because I hate taking prescription medication. That's, if you know me on a personal level, I hate taking pills. That's like my biggest no-no. So we're gonna do the pinch method today, which is this one. And pretty much I'm supposed to remove the white cap, he told me, and then press it into my stomach, and then I will press, I don't know what little button it is, and once it turns yellow, I'm good to go. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Oh. And yeah, so hopefully this helps me out, because I don't know what else to try. I'm seriously like losing hope on everything. So yeah, let's get into it, and hopefully it helps me out. Okay, so we are going to get started. I couldn't find the alcohol, so I'm just gonna use that. Don't come for me and my fat gut, because I can't work out even if I wanted to. Careful, because it hurts still. You gotta be nice and gentle.
Alright, so the first step you guys are going to do is she's going to pinch this And just make sure, can I see it? Make sure this is very clear. If it's yellow or it's broken, that means it's been used, and that's a big no-no. So
Is it good? Did you check?
yeah, you're good.
Okay.
So you're gonna pinch, or you want me to pinch?
You do.
All right, so I'm gonna pinch.
But don't pinch it too hard.
I'm gonna move this white thing, and I do it at a 90-degree angle.
Don't
I'm
stab me, okay?
Push all the way in, and once it's all the way in, I'm gonna go ahead and press this. This is gonna auto-inject the needle for 15 seconds.
Oh, bitch, I'm scared.
And it's a needle, so there's gonna be blood and stuff. So don't be
dude.
scared and all that. So you just gotta
What do you mean? Don't be scared now.
Cool.
If I die. If I die, oh my god.
So you can do the stretch method and do that, but I think the pinch
grab the
one
long hair.
won't hurt as much. And then, cool. You ready?
No, not really. I'm terrified. Oh my god, please be gentle.
Okay. So when you guys remove this, it has to be straight
Oh, Jesus. Oh my god.
out.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Like that. Cool. The needle's in there.
I hate needles.
See the needle. So take that straight out. And
Oh my god, right here.
right there.
Oh my god.
So if you're gonna do this,
Wait, let me breathe. Hold on. Whew. I'm scared. I'm really scared, dude.
alright, well, you don't want this to dry out.
Okay, go. Right here.
Okay. You wanna zoom in so they can see it?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
God.
push
Oh my God.
all the way in.
Do I gotta
like
breathe
that.
in? Oh.
No, like nothing's happening yet.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I feel
You
it.
want the count of 1.
Ow, that hurts. You're
I'm not
pinching me
doing-
too.
there's
You're
nothing
pinching me too hard.
Because you're so skinny. Fool.
No,
if
I'm
you,
not. I got
if
long
you actually had
calves.
fat, it wouldn't
Look,
hurt.
I have like really big.
They did it
fat.
on me. It'd be no problem. Alright.
Slowly, baby.
Okay.
Don't pinch me hard.
The count of 3?
No.
Okay.
Yes. I don't know.
So I'm going to do 1,
Okay.
2, 3, the thing, right?
Okay.
You good? You need to breathe?
I'm so.
Okay.
Oh, you
need to
guys.
breathe?
I am nervous. Okay, I'm back. I had to take like a good 5 minutes because I started panicking. I hate needles. Like oh my god, I'm so scared.
All right.
Okay, guys.
We decided we're going to do it on the count of 3.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Hold on. Oh my god. 1. Oh baby, I'm scared.
You ready?
Yes.
1.
Uh-huh.
We're going to do 1, 2, 3 shot?
Yes.
All right. 1,
2. Oh.
All around me are familiar faces.
2, 3, 4. Ah. Oh! Oh my god.
Careful.
I'm gonna die. You guys.
So remember, we said
Hold on.
not to to rub. We're going to pat
Oh my god, that's a lot of blood,
Pat.
dude.
down. You're
Ooh.
good. You're Gucci.
Oh.
You a gangster. You thug. You gorgeous. You beautiful. You precious.
What you did to me?
Your pain's gonna go away.
Oh my
You're
god.
gonna be good.
And my doctor told me that this first dose is not even gonna count. I have to do a second dose for me to start seeing any difference. So
look at the little bandage I got her.
oh, I got a Mickey and Minnie.
It'll make her
Okay.
feel good.
Okay. Okay.
And when you clean it more, you're good.
I think I'm okay. Oh,
Yeah,
look at my gut.
there it is.
Dude, oh my goodness. I've gone through hell. Thank you, baby. Alright, guys. So that was the first dose. Is that what you say? Dose?
Yeah, it's your first dosage.
Dosage, whatever it's called. So hopefully, after I get my second one, it'll work and I will feel a lot better because I'm sick and tired of having headaches. And like I mentioned, I don't like taking pills. That's just ugh. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated and I will let you guys know how I feel after I get the second one, or if I see or if I feel any difference after this one, I'll let you guys know, because like I said, I know a lot of people that have migraine, and hopefully if it eases my pain, then I know for sure it's gonna help you guys that have migraine. So I'll keep you guys posted and we'll see how this goes. So, see you guys. Alright guys, so it's been a little over an hour that I got the shot, and I feel fine right now. I don't have any side effects, but then again, they could kick in a little bit longer than that, or they might take longer to kick in. But I do know some of the side effects can be like a rash, or I think it's what else was it? Oh, swelling or like redness all like around the shot. So of course, anything that you might get, you know, if you just get any shot, period. But if you do decide to get it and you get any of the symptoms, call your doctor right away. And then I also want to mention, in no way is this video sponsored. And then if you do decide to try it, before you even try it, talk to your doctor about it, because like I said, what might work for other people might not work for you. It might not work for me, it might. I hope it does. But yes, right now I feel fine. I don't feel any like what is like a pulsing at first I started feeling, but it was just, I'm sure because I had just gotten it. But right now I feel pretty good. Like I mentioned, my doctor did tell me that if the first dosage I might not see any difference. Usually I'll start seeing a difference after my second dosage, but fingers crossed that I do see a difference with this one, because I'm not gonna lie, it did hurt a little bit. But then again, I'm a chicken when it comes to getting shots. I hate needles, I hate all of that. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll let you guys know how I feel, and you know, throughout like the weeks, and then hopefully by my second dosage I'll feel a lot better. But yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you guys, you know, enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think, you know, as far as like migraines or like just in general any headaches, you know, what you've done to help, or what you've done to, you know, make yourself or like your headaches go away and feel better. Because I've literally tried everything and nothing has worked, as far as like home remedies or like, you know, like I said, nerve block shots. I got surgery and all of that, and it just they don't go away. So yeah, other than that, I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget to comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Something in my mind, leaves me thinking,